Done a shitty job.
Oh, leave your helmet on.
And just like at work, right?
Yeah, is that what you look like?
I liked all those
jail?
staged photographs he did of him building the trail, and he put all of his safety equipment on. And he looked like he was playing dress up.
Oh yeah, I'll show you, John. You won't find him unless I show you.
But you just sharpened it.
I thought I did. Obviously I did a shitty job.
I didn't say that.
Nah.
Uh-huh. Woohoo!
2011 meeting of the Neighborly Lane Yacht Club.
These things are laced together with spider web of 1-inch cable.
Yeah.
And so what they did, I think the lock is 1,000 feet long or something like that. I got my own car. And they push the tow in. The first 9 barges.
You want us to come over there?
Well, yeah, I couldn't get that big hunk up onto the fire. So I guess we'll have to move the fire to it. That's what we could do, is just push the fire over that big hunk.
Yeah, over here.
Well, that one that I couldn't get into the...
Still can't do it! Robin, he failed! He failed!
It wasn't just me. I thought it was just me.
He's gonna do it again!
Okay.
It's just so round.
This could be a reality TV show.
That could be a good or a bad thing.
Oh, it's coming our way!
Ready to run! Ready to run!
Track isn't with the island!
Yeah.
It did not.
Big one on the other side rolled off.
Oh, really? So more than one rolled off? Oh, jeez.
Oh, Jack, get away from it. It's got the nubbing. It's got to burn off.
Yeah. Jeez, that's hot.
We're just going to move the fire on top of it.
Yeah!
Like you said earlier, Robin, we can resolve the issue.
Oh, it feels good. Come down after dinner, yeah. Oh shoot, I don't think I have marshmallows. Oh, maybe I do. I have marshmallows.
Fire, perfect everything.
Perfect people.
One of the best.
Usually each year is the best. Not a lot, but some. And we have margarita mix, so. Yeah, I said we do. Da-da-dum, bum, bum. So who's doing the trebuchet?
Next year. We're gonna get inner tubes.
We need Fred to keep a V tree going.
Yeah. Or surgical tubes.
We take the Dodge.
Yeah,
and the Dodge. Oh, there we go.
We're gonna use the tractor.
The tractor's perfect. There you go. Yeah.
That's
it. It'll work.
It'll work great.
Absolutely. So that's it.
I'll bring my shotgun.
Okay, I'll bring my
Are we gonna
shotgun.
decorate the pumpkins first? Like maybe add some facial hair and some, like
Nice.
There's that whole
this all started with that. Yeah, we'd blend right in.
I hear automatic fire at my house.
No.
Yes. Across the,
That's because you're by the hood.
there's a hood not too far away.
Yeah, that's such a manly chore you got going there. Oh, that is amazing. I hadn't seen that. Running into anything? Wow. Oh my gosh.
So is this like standard jail food or something? Oh, really?